All right, welcome back, Light Up Literature family. Today we are talking about commonly confused words, and we're going to cover the top 10 most commonly confused words in middle school. So let's jump right into it. Commonly confused words are usually the words that sound the same but have different meanings. That means that sometimes they're spelled similar, but just a little bit different, and sometimes the meanings can have a huge difference. So let's take a look at it. First up, your versus yours. Your, Y-O-U-R, like your books, that's possessions. Whose books? Your books. Your, Y-O-U apostrophe R-E, you're my best friend. You are my best friend. That apostrophe takes the place of that A. So who's your best friend? You are. All right. There, and there. So the first there, T-H-E-R-E, that is about location. The puppies are over there. Imagine someone pointing. There, T-H-E-I-R, that's showing ownership. That is theirs. That puppy is theirs. And then they're my pets. They are my pets. Again, that apostrophe is replacing the A and R. So, there with T-H-E-Y-R-E means they are. Two. I'm going to the store, often used as a preposition, but it shows direction or action. I need two things. The number two, not one, not two, or not one, two, and not three. So we've got our milk and our cereal in our shopping cart. Or, as the Southern people say it, in our buggies. Now, two, T-O-O, I spent too much money. Two is like a vast amount or also. So if you notice, she only needed two things and she got a few more things in her grocery cart. All right. Here. Hey, I'm over here. H-E-R-E. That's a location. Versus, I can't hear you. Well, the key with knowing the difference, ear is in the word here where it's actually referring to listen. Affect versus effect. Now, this one is something that even adults get mixed up. So, I can't affect this boulder. In other words, I can't influence it or change it. I can't move it. But effect with an E, setting has a great effect on my grades. It's more of a cause and effect relationship, the result of something, of doing something. It's versus its. The dog wagged its tail excitedly. It is showing possession. Whose tail is it? The dog's tail. It's raining outside is it is raining outside. Then versus then. I ate my breakfast and then left for work. Them is focused on a time, like a time period or what happens next. Then, my slice of pizza is bigger than yours. It's used for comparison. Bigger than, faster than. This test is easier than. Lose versus loose. I don't want to lose my backpack. Yeah, no one does. Or my phone. Now, I also don't want to lose the race. I'm highly competitive, so I want to win. So that's how we know lose, short. My pants are finally loose. Woohoo! Loose as in not tight. They are movable. All right. Whose versus whose? Whose notebook is on the counter? Well, or whose notebooks are on the counter? That's ownership. Who's at the door? That's who is at the door. Past versus past. Who passed the test? Past can be used as succeeding, moving, or handing over. Pass me the butter. Who passed the butter dish? Past with a T, I love studying the past, things that happened in a certain time or place. All right, so that's our top 10. Remember, read it aloud. Does it sound right? Also, the best way to know whether you're using it correctly, replace the word with its meaning. If it still makes sense, you're good to go. If it doesn't, let's fix it. All right, if you need any more help with grammar lessons or anything else, let me know. You can drop a comment below. Otherwise, subscribe, and subscribe for more ELA and grammar lessons. And until next time, be safe, healthy, and happy. All right, bye.